Hi guys, welcome to Clever Fox YouTube channel. I'm Cynthia, I'm a member of Clever Fox team, and today I want to show you something extremely exciting, which is our Clever Fox Wellness Planner Premium Edition. Let's have a look inside. So all our premium planners come with a beautiful gift box, as well as how it works, manual and stickers. This planner is a comprehensive tool for all the planning, tracking and improving your mental and physical well-being strategically and effectively. On the first day of using your planner, fill out all the wellness self-assessment quiz to understand which of the 8 wellness dimensions you could improve, from the physical, social, spiritual, emotional, financial, occupational, intellectual, environmental. To do so, read each statement and consider how often you do each of these things described. Then add all your scores for each wellness dimension and compare them to maximum score of 28. The lowest score likely signal that you need to work on these particular areas. Later, use your assessment results to determine which wellness dimensions you need to prioritize. List all the habits and routines you can follow to improve, or use these ideas to get started. In this page, answer all the questions and start creating the wellness plan you always wanted. On all these top goals, use the insights you have gained to set your goals for each wellness area. These will serve as a guide when you're deciding what to focus on each month, week and a day. I would personally suggest to try and set at least one goal in each area. However big or small, it will help you build a healthy, balanced lifestyle for the years to come. At the start of each week, you have an action plan. This week's main goal, this week's priorities, wellness to-do list for the week, your habits and all the questions. Each day you have an action plan. Your intentions for today, to-do list, today's priorities, schedule, what you're grateful for, your affirmations, your sleeping hours, water intake, your mood and the energy levels, your meal plan, your exercise. And what's very good on this planner is that you can actually reflect on how your day went. And at the end of the month, you can do a monthly review. Which wellness dimensions you need to focus on, what were your biggest wins, how you're doing each wellness dimension. Rate your progress in each dimension from 1 to 10 and then colour each section up to that level. Answer all the questions and start building a journey and well-being. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you very soon.